So, hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling you about my recent project, which was part of a Hack AI hackathon powered by NVIDIA and Dell. And in this particular hackathon, we have created a project called AI-based system design builder. My teammates are Ashutosh, Atharva, and Yugandhar. And so this particular project is a system design builder which has some initial 12 set of components like load balancer, client, server, etc. And using these 12 basic components, you can simulate any system in the simulating window. And this is also integrated with the GenAI capabilities. So let me first walk you through the initial setting up phase. And we have written a really detailed README file so that anyone can go through it and do the installation and cold cloning of the project. So initially, it requires NVIDIA AI Workbench. And so you can go through these initial steps about how to install the workbench and then create a new project, and then just you have to just clone the repositories. Once this is done, we need to connect to the workbench using CLI commands which are already presented in the which are already given in this NVIDIA AI workbench where we have cloned our repository. And once we give these commands, we are connected to our workbench, and we just then need to run the main.py file to run our project, and it is already deployed on our local server using Flask. And so this is how our UI looks, and these are the 12 sets of components like load balancer, database, CDN, DNS, AWS, servers, clients, API gateway, firewall, authentication server, message queue, and cache. So we can randomly select any component and we can build connection between them using this build connection feature. And just in case if we also want to delete any component and the edges associated with it, we can also try to do that. Now, once this is done, we also have a text box feature here where you can directly give the input movie, tickets, booking, system, something like that. You just hit send, and now this usually takes 10 to 12 seconds of processing time just to generate the whole graph. And so what this does is hitting the send button will send the query to the backend where we have our LLM AI model, and that particular model will return us the adjacency list matrix, which will help us to create and generate this graph. So we'll now just wait for the graph and let's go. This is how our graph looks. And initially it can look a little bit messy, but we just need to rearrange it so that, yeah, perfect. So, and then this is how our whole design for the system looks. And this gives us like a complete overlook about which component should be used and how the overall system should look. And this is really beneficial for the like the experienced people in the tech, like system design architects or even the newcomers to design complex systems. And in the phase two, we are planning to bring some more components and also like adding a feature where you automatically get a rearranged graph. Lastly, we can also give the command using voice just by pressing this mic button. Hi, can you design a movie ticket booking system for me? Yeah, that's it. And we can again just give the send query. So this was all about on our project, and I think the NVIDIA AI Workbench was super great. It like integrates and clones the projects completely. It like instantly gives us a ready build, and all we have to do is to run our project. And it is also really helpful in leveraging the GPUs to run the AI models. And so this was all about our project, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.